Hello, what's up everyone? I'm back again with another video tutorial, and today this is an interesting one. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn off safe search on your Google search results. So basically, if you're using your phone and you want to turn off the Google safe search because it filters out content, it's not like it just filters out the explicit contents or 18 plus. It just, there are some contents which are targeted towards certain age groups, so Google filters them out. So if you are more of in that kind of zone where you want any kind of information from the web browser, then you can turn it off and benefit from it. So to begin with, what we need to do is go to our Google app. The Google application in itself, you can go and open the app, or if you have the widget here on your desktop, you can just click on the G icon. The app will open up. Now here, what we got to do is click on your profile. Your profile is on the top right corner. Click on that, and then this window will show up. So we are interested in settings. Click on settings, and here you would see that there's an option on the third. It says hide explicit results. What you need to do is click on that, and then here you would see an option which is toggled on. You need to toggle it off, and safe search would be toggled off. And now this way you can see different kind of stuff on the search results which might have been age restricted or marked as explicit. So this is how you can turn off the safe search on your Google result. And if it is turned on and you want to turn it off, simply go back to the same setting, and here just turn it back on, depending on the way you use your phone. So this is pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. Please drop a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. See you in the next one. Peace.